Good morning, SDU class, and today I'm going to show you how to post on a discussion board. So if you go to the assignments, you will see different discussion boards depending on the week. So you don't have to worry where the discussion boards are. When you come to one, it will say discussion board. So I'm going to go to communication because I know there is a discussion board down here. So here it is. So there's a discussion board right here, and then it says you have to answer these questions, read the posts of 2 of your classmates, and respond to at least 2, using at least 50 words each. So I'm going to just click right here on discussion board. I'm going to click on create thread, and then I would type my post. This is a test, so you would answer the questions here, and then you would hit this little blue submit button here in the bottom right hand corner. And then you can see there it is. Now, if this had been later on in the semester when this discussion board post was actually due, you would see a bunch of different posts. So to respond to a post, you would just click on one. So I'm going to see my post here. Now, you wouldn't want to comment on your own post. You would want to comment on another student's post. But let's say this wasn't my post. I would hit reply. I would write something here. And then again, I would hit this blue submit button in the corner. And there you go. That is how you would post on a discussion board.